Hey, let's take a look at your LT6 assignment. Don't forget your name. Can't give you credit to do anything else. Number 2, if we have an isosceles triangle, we know the base angles are the same. And this is a sometimes, always, never question. And so if the measure of the vertex angle of an isosceles triangle is an integer, remember an integer is any whole number, no decimals or anything like that. Then the measure of each base angle is also an integer. Well, that would be true if my vertex angle was even, because that would make the sum of my base angles even. If the base angles are even, then each angle would be an integer, because you divide by 2, you always get another whole number if it's even. However, it would not be true if it's odd. Because if it's odd, if I take 180, which is even, minus an odd number, my sum would be odd. If I divide an odd by 2, I'd get a decimal. So that's only sometimes true. On question number 3, we got Alexis and Michaela, and they're finding the measure of angle G. And Alexis says angle G is 35. Michaela says it's 60. Are either of them correct? Well, we definitely see Michaela is incorrect, because Michaela is thinking that it's an equilateral triangle, but we can see it's not equilateral. It's 70 degrees. Now let's find the measure of angle G, kind of like how we described in example 2. I take 180. I'm going to subtract my vertex angle, which is 70. Well, that would be 110. So I know angle G plus angle H. Let's rewrite that. That looks terrible. So I'm going to say the measure of angle G plus the measure of angle H has to be 110. I know they're equal, so I take 110 divided by 2, and I'd get 55 degrees. So Alexis is also incorrect. I don't know how she took 70 divided by 2, I'm guessing, but she's incorrect. So neither of them are correct. The correct answer is 55 degrees. On number 4, we were asked to draw an isosceles triangle with the base angles that are obtuse. You can't have a triangle with 2 base angles, or with 2 obtuse angles. You can only have one obtuse angle. The vertex angle could be obtuse, but the base angles cannot be, so that's impossible to draw. Number 5, I've drawn this out for you here. We've got an isosceles triangle. Angle B is 90. That means each of my base angles are 45 degrees, and therefore we have it.